Hello everybody and welcome to Sprinkle Time. My name is Sprinkles and in this episode we will be decorating COVID warrior cookies. We will get our COVID warrior ready to battle COVID. Don't forget to press the like button, comment, share, subscribe, etc. and let's dive right into it. Let's kick some COVID butt. Open up our sterile field. We'll need our trays, our tools, our badge, hero, thank you, our colors, our sprinkles, of course. It's a little COVID. Oh no, it escaped! Get back in there, you little. Our glitter! I love my glitter. Some magical pink dust. See the description box for products used in this video. Alright, let's start with this one. Mr. Corona. COVID is encroaching on these lungs. These lungs are in trouble and we need a COVID warrior to come and save them. Get out of here, you pesky virus, out of the way. We have to take these lungs to Cookie Hospital. Come with me. Okay, these lungs got very sick. I mean, look at the angry face on that thermometer. Very sick. We're gonna need some help. Let's do some science. This is where our pink fairy dust comes in handy. Time to get a vaccine ready. Now we're going to inject this into our COVID warrior. We need to wash our hands a lot, so let's get some hand sanitizer ready. Let's try squirting this on this little COVID. Time to get our hero dressed. Look at those COVIDs having a COVID bath over there. They're having a lot of fun. our hero's scrub top. Now let's make something to cover our hero's hair. We'll make it extra pretty to scare away the COVID. Let's see if it fits. We're gonna need a mask for sure. Let's try this mask on. We are going to need an isolation gown for our hero. We will need some gloves as well. Let's make a face shield. I use isomalt. I put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Make sure to ask an adult to help you with this. Pour it into the mold and let it cool. Ready! It only needed about 5 minutes in the fridge. There she is, our COVID warrior. She doesn't look very happy. Our face shield is looking perfect. Now, before we send her into the COVID room, make sure to call her a hero. We're gonna snap our fingers and we're good to go in the room. There we are. Now go and pour your heart into it. Get better, you little lungs. Thanks! Thank you so much to all of our COVID heroes now and throughout the pandemic. You guys have been amazing. You deserve a lot more than thanks and cookies, but hopefully you can find some joy out of this video. Don't forget to press the like button, comment, share, subscribe, etc. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.